असलम सैफी अकाउंट को फॉलो कर लें। मेरे वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक करें और ज़रूर आगे शेयर करें। थैंक यू।
How are you?
I am alright.
What's your name?
My name is Aisha Khatun.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Riyaz.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 6th.
Please tell me first kalima in Islam in English language.
The first kalima in Islam, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. The meaning of first kalima in Islam. There is none worthy of worship except Allah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah.
Thank you. Good.